Ka jingialang jong ka kabinet ka balalong ha ka tarik u Naitung hajar arpuar kala shim ya bun ki rai ki beyadei bat ki Ishu ki ktah ki imlang sahlang ha ka jylla Meghalaya. Ha ka jingiakren jong u bat ki nongpathai khubor u Myntri Rangbah ka jylla Conrad Sangma u iathuh ba ha ka beyadei bat ka jingdawa ki nonghikai skul Adhoc ka sorkar kala rai ba an pynkiew no ya ka tulop ki nonghikai Adhoc jong ka high secondary bat nonghikai science Shuh ka khandai hajar tyngka bat ya ka jong ki nonghikai ki kyrdan primary, lower primary, SSA fourth teacher bat ki nonghikai Hindi Shuh ka henry hajar tyngka. Shuh iathuh ba ka ni ka jingpynkiew tulop ki nonghikai skul Adhoc kan ktah shibun ka pla tyngka ka jylla ha ka ba ka jinglut kan kiyo sya ka shispa klur tyngka ka mamut ba ka sorkar kan hap an penlut kumba lai spa shipau klur tyngka shisnem na ka benta ka tulop ki nonghikai.
So a very good afternoon to everyone. We had a cabinet meeting this afternoon, and in the cabinet meeting there were 4 agendas that were discussed. The first agenda was regarding the enhancement of salary or enhancement of grant in aid, I should say, grant in aid to the ad hoc school teachers. This was the first agenda that was discussed. As you are all aware that the ad hoc schools are privately run schools which have their own independent managing committees, and in the previous years government of Meghalaya has been providing aid to these privately run schools run by the managing committees, and certain amount of lump sum grant is given every month to these schools. There has been a demand from the teachers who are working in these private schools run by the management committees that this grant in aid which the government of Meghalaya gives should be enhanced. As you're aware, in the year 2017, in the month of June, there was enhancement that was made at that point in time, and based on the different memorandums that have come, the Education Department has put up a proposal which the Cabinet discussed in detail, and we have decided to enhance the grant in aid to these privately run ad hoc schools. For the different categories that are there, the higher secondary, the secondary and the science teachers, the Cabinet has decided that the enhancement will be 9,000 rupees for this category, which means the higher secondary teacher who used to get 24,000 will get 33,000 now. The secondary teachers who used to get 20,000 will get 29,000, and the science teachers who used to get 22,000 will get 31,000. The other category is the UP, the LP, and the Hindi teachers, and also the 4th teacher of the SSA. In these 4 categories, we have decided to enhance the salary by 6,000, which means the upper primary teachers who used to get 16,000 rupees will now get 22,000 rupees. The LP school teachers who used to get 12,000 will get 18,000 rupees. The Hindi teachers who used to get 12,000 will also get 18,000 rupees. And the 4th teacher for the SSA who used to also get 12,000 rupees will get 18,000 rupees now. So the total impact of this will be roughly about 100 crores annually. So from 212 crores which is given now, in the coming years, every year the enhancement will go by, as I said, go up by about 100 crores. So roughly about 310 plus minus crores will be the impact. So there's about 100 crores impact will be there on the overall amount that the government will have to spend. So this was the first decision that was made in the Cabinet. The second decision that was done was that we have amended the Meghalaya Professions, Trade, Calling and Employments Tax Act 1947. And under this, basically this is for the professional tax that is paid. We have decided that number one, there has to be mandatory registration by all. And these will be, of course, based on scheduled areas and non-scheduled areas. In the scheduled areas, that will be done by the district councils, and in non-scheduled areas by the taxation department. Second, we have also amended is that anybody who has annual income of less than 1.8 lakhs will not have to pay anything. Earlier, the people who had about 50,000 and below did not have to pay the tax, but now we have enhanced it to 1.8 lakhs. Number two, there were more than 12 slabs earlier. Now we have reduced it to only 4 slabs. So there will be the 1.8 to 3 lakh slab, which is going to be 500 rupees. 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs slab, which will be 1,000 rupees. 5 lakh to 7.5 lakhs slab, which is 1,500 rupees. And above 7.5 lakhs, which will be 2,500 rupees. Also, we have decided that for decriminalization of this entire procedure, where minor offences like not paying the taxes would have led to up to 3 years of imprisonment earlier. So we have decided to remove that provision, and now the only penalty that will be there is payment of 4 times the amount that is due in the whatever the amount that is due. The person will have to pay 4 times more. So that part of imprisonment has been removed from the Act. And the last is that that there will be an interest amount at a 12% per annum interest for those who are paying late. So this was the second agenda, which is the amendment of the professional tax.